Hey everyone, Powell here. I'm going to start a series of videos on the basic geometric constructions using a compass, straight edge, and a pencil. And the first I'm going to start with is copying a line segment. Now, the goal of this is to make an exact copy of line segment AB without measuring it, because with constructions you can't use a measuring tool, you can only use a straight edge. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a line longer than AB that we're going to copy the segment of AB on top of. And I'm going to put a point at the beginning and call it A prime, because the point A will sync up with point A prime. Then we're going to take our compass and we're going to open it up the length of AB. Now it's important to know that with copying a line segment, we're not actually copying the segment really. What we're really doing is copying the distance of A to B onto another line. So I have my compass opened up the length of AB. Now without changing that distance, I'm going to bring the point from A to the new starting point of the copy A prime B prime and sweep an arc. And that arc is the distance that AB is. And where that arc intercepts this line, I'm going to put a point B prime. So I know that AB is the exact same length as A prime B prime, and I did that without measuring it. I did that with constructions. Now one application that this is used for is adding line segments. So here I'm going to take line segments AB and CD and combine them to make a new line segment EF that is the total length of these two different line segments. So again, the first thing I'm going to do is draw a line segment that is longer, or at least I think is longer, than AB and CD combined. And since my new line segment, there it is, since my new line segment is EF, I'm going to make the starting point for this line E. Now because we're adding two segments, it doesn't matter which one we do first, so I'm just going to do AB first, just to go in alphabetical order. But if you did CD and added AB onto that, it wouldn't matter. So again, I'm going to open up my compass the length of AB, and then with my point, without changing the distance, I'm going to put my point on E and sweep that arc. I'm not going to put a point there though, but that's where B ends, and that's where my point for C is going to go. Because now on the end of that, I'm going to copy CD. So open up the length of CD, then with my point on the intersection of the arc and the line, I'm going to sweep a second arc. And at the end of that, on the intersection of the second arc in this line, that's where F is going to go. Because remember, the directions said to add line segments AB and CD to create EF, and that's what we've done. This distance here is the distance of A to B, so that's AB, and this distance here is CD. And the total distance makes up EF. So that's one application of using the copying a line segment construction, which is basic construction number 1. If you like this video, please like it below, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos on the basic geometric constructions. Thanks for watching.